In today's academic research, data is everything. But analyzing it shouldn't be complicated. That's where IBM SPSS comes in. Whether you are studying psychology, education, sociology, or business, SPSS simplifies complex statistical tests with a user-friendly interface and powerful tools. From descriptive stats to ANOVA, regression, and chi-square, you can analyze data accurately without coding. Plus, it's equipped with built-in data cleaning tools, so you spend less time fixing errors and more time drawing insights. SPSS ensures reproducible, publish-ready results, making it ideal for thesis writing, journal submissions, and classroom projects. Trusted by universities worldwide, SPSS remains a gold standard in academic research. So why wait? Unlock your research potential today. Telephone receiver, call us at +9179 980 3874495. Envelope with down arrow above, email sales.theorexcontent@gmail.com. Globe with meridians, visit www.pencontentdigital.info. Thanks for watching.